What's up, guys? Welcome to the Crypto Savvy channel. I'm Craig. We're going to go over the markets. We're going to start out with the Dow Jones, then go on to Bitcoin. Make sure you guys smash the like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We're going to try to figure out where this market's going, and will the solar eclipse have an effect on the market today? That's going to be an interesting subject. We'll see what's going on there. Let's take a look at the chart. So this is the Dow Jones in the 4-hour chart. On the last video last week, I told you to watch for a break right here. If we broke down, my target was 37,877. I still believe that is possible. We may come up for a retest with the Dow at about 38.9. If we break above that, get back in, then maybe the solar eclipse is going to give the market another boost up, and it could go higher, including Bitcoin. If we get a rejection or don't even get up to this and come down, then I still think we get to our target down here. As you can see in the RSI down here, we had the same trend line. We came up and retested in the RSI, so could be coming down. We're going to see today probably between 130 and 230. We'll probably see some serious market volatility because that's when the solar eclipse is going to happen. We'll see if that, I know a lot of people like to watch the moon cycles for the market, so let's see what happens. Looking between 130 and 230, somewhere in that time frame. Let's watch and see what the markets do. But this is, I'm still looking for this on the Dow, of course, unless we break inside this rising channel. That will invalidate this, and I would expect that to be sometime today if we are going to invalidate it. If it's not invalidated, still looking for that 37.87, which will take other things down with it. Now, as you guys know, I've been looking at this chart. On the right, the Great Depression. On the left is where we're at now, right? I do think there is still a great possibility for this. That would be years of downfall for the market. So just be cautious, be careful. Even if we get up higher, I still believe there is some ugly stuff coming in the markets. But the good thing is you could trade the markets either way, right? You can make a lot of money when the markets come down. We made a lot of money when the Bitcoin market came down back in 21 and in 22. We're going to see what's going to happen here. So let's take a look at what we were looking at. We were looking at this triangle. If this triangle is correct and we broke up here, we take a measured move from here to where it broke out. This is the line I've been telling you guys to watch for, and it broke, and as you can see, we got a pop up. Now, does that mean it goes straight up to the bullish target of 84,000? It is a possibility. I want you guys to keep that in mind, but let's see if we get down, get a retest here. If you get a retest on this, you know, approximately 70,200 range, if we get a bounce back up from there, it might be a good place to put in a long if you have not longed already. If you did long, I would definitely put some stops at break even or in profit, right? So this is what I'm looking for now. If we do get back here, but remember, guys, a lot of times in a triangle like this, you'll see a big fake out, and them usually look something like this. It may even break the high by just a little bit. As you guys know, we were watching for that 75. I still think that's a big possibility for rejection, but once it gets back in this triangle, then it's pretty much downside from there. So that's something to be cautious about. I know everyone's going to be extremely bullish if we break that high, but watch for 75 if we do. Just be careful there, right? But remember, we can turn around any time. Once we get back down here, if we do break the top of this triangle again, that's going to be very bearish. Could look something like this, you know, get a bounce, come back in, bounce around in here for a while, come back down. And then once this bottom area is broken, depending on if, when, and where, that'd be somewhere around the 64,000 range. If that does break, then we start looking for our lower target around 50,000. As you can see, we have broken out of the downward channel here in the RSI. That's going to be another thing you're going to want to watch, where this RSI closes, right? If it gets back down here and closes below the trend line on the RSI, we'll probably be back below here and continue to the downside. But as of right now, if it can remain above here, even getting a retest, it would be around 84,000 as the target. Not saying it's going to go there, because you need to see if we continue support on the top of this triangle. If you guys are interested in trading, Definitely check out Prime XBT. Links down below. They do sponsor these videos. You can trade all markets. They have a spot where you can trade traditional, gold, silver, oil, S&P, Dow Jones, everything, all from one exchange, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Definitely check them out if you are interested in trading. They also have free contests you can join, trading contests, and they're totally free. So it's a good way to learn how to trade without actually, risking your own money. Once you are confident and you want to put some money in, trade away. Anyways, that's what I'm looking at right now, guys. Be cautious, be careful out there. Let's see what happens with the solar eclipse. If you guys liked the video, make sure you smash the likes, leave your comments down below, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and tick that notification bell. I'm out.